And they gave Aisha some babies, some dolls, if you will. The one she liked was a piece of wood.
I'm down. So cute. Were you thinking of getting that one?
No. I didn't know what it was.
Either or. I like the ones I pointed at.
Okay, which one? This one or this one?
I like the happy face.
No, I like this one too. It's cool. Silly.
I had a cousin date today, and we go to this vintage toy store in downtown LA called Momo Toys. You have to make a reservation with them, and it's really quaint and intimate in there, and they have really cool stuff. So I got this Blythe doll bag, tote bag, and she looks like a clown. I love clowns. It's pretty good quality. I originally wanted to go to Momo Toys because I wanted a Fruits magazine, and their regular sizes were selling for like $95. I'm spending $95, but I'll spend $50 on a mini, this one, because I feel like it's something I'd wear. Big shirt, big shoes, a hat, and sunglasses. Yes, please. Thank you. This magazine in particular is number 184. It's crazy that it sold for 540 yen, and I spent $50 on it. That's insane.
That one seriously looks like a carp or something. It's probably a koi fish, but it looks like a carp.
Mm-hmm.
And what's up with those ones like trying to feed off of it?
You're getting milk.
Milk? I don't think fish works like that.
Mm. Dead ones.
It's not dead.
I like the dead ones. Its season is coming.
I like how they're freshly washed. And they got weathered by the rain even more. Every time it rains, they get sunburned.
They're being formed. Oh, this one has a pool too.
So over eons more, they will have different shapes. Just think about that.
So pretty.
I like. More bonsai. Ooh, look at that bonsai tree. So creepy. Bonsai tree. Like, I wonder, are there only like certain types of trees that like plants you could do this with?
I think so.
Because you see, like, a lot of them are repeats, you know, like junipers or pomegranate.
I mean, you don't really see like eucalyptus bonsai.
I think they just get too damn big, dude. These ones you could like manipulate them.
Yeah.
Like,
Inside.
makes me feel good inside my brain.
It tickles your brain.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God, they made it.
Like that song, right?
I did like it.
How did you used to like that song?
Nalga.
Oh, come on, please. Taste, test.
Why did everyone think I look funny? They're taking a photo of my hair.
All right, guys. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
If I stand up, oh no.
I just about finished breakfast, but I think I found my new hyperfixation. Yes, I eat the skin off the kiwi. Gluten-free bread, cream cheese, lox, smoked yellowfin tuna, cracked pepper, green onion. Interview right now for a gallery assistant position. That's what I studied, so that's what I'm very passionate about. I hope I get this despite it being a little out of the way. Fingers crossed that I end up getting this position because I think it'd look amazing on my resume and for my career goals. I'm not that nervous, which is good. This is my job interview outfit. I think I'm going to put it in the universe that I am getting this position because it's meant for me. got 2 jobs within the span of 4 days. So not only am I celebrating myself, but I need a new wardrobe. I went to Abercrombie and Fitch because they have nice basics. A cute skirt that was on sale. Although the Kibbe community on Facebook told me that long skirts don't really suit me, I'm still gonna wear them because I like them. So it's a very long skirt. I like. These are the pants. Oh, they're called the Sloan tailored pant. So these are the pants. I've always tried to find a pair of these, but like vintage circa, like I bought a few in high school, but none of them looked good on me. So I'm glad I finally found a pair. And then this is the skirt that apparently doesn't flatter my body. So this is the skirt. I have two pairs of dark flats and they hurt my feet. Are they vintage? Yes. I spoiled myself with Jeffrey Campbell. This is my first pair of Jeffrey Campbell. I got these adorable brown kitten heel flats. Are they flats if they have a kitten heel? Anyway, pretty unique, but it's very sleek at the same time. Also got my first pair of Sam Eldman. Black flat, of course. But I wanted something a little different. I'm not a huge fan of embellishments or buckles on shoes really, but when I put these on there, they looked absolutely gorgeous. Super soft and very comfortable, and I don't think they're gonna give me blisters. Next is Uniqlo. When I was a kid, I never went into Uniqlo because I thought it was like adult stuff. So I got like everything in black and white. Oops. First off, I got this tube top with black tube top. I got a white one as well. I got this tank top. I'm wearing a white one underneath my cardigan right now. Got this cute little sweater top. It's pretty airy, so I could wear it right now or in the hotter months. These are called the linen cotton tapered pants in off-white. These are made to fill this woman draped blouse. It's gorgeous. It kind of spices up and matures a look instantly, no matter if you wear shorts or pants or a skirt. So I really liked that. Last but not least, I got a plain white top. A very good haul, and I won't be buying clothes for a very long time, but I will be going through my clothes right now so I could get rid of stuff. I know. Right. Okay. So yeah, that was my haul. I hope you enjoyed it, because I know I did.
60. It's been a long trip around the sun.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Yes.
Yay!